Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in today class, we are going to discuss about UI actions. Okay. So UI actions are kind of a buttons, links, context menus. Okay. So we can see the docs definition. Okay. UI actions include the buttons, links, context menu items, and forms and lists. Configure UI actions to make the UI more interactive, customized, and specific to the user activities. Okay, I'm just copying this. Can you see? UI action includes buttons, links, and context menu items and forms and lists. Configure UI actions to make the way more interactive, customized, and specific to the user activities. Specific to the user activities. Like what are the things we can able to customize? Form context menu, list context menu, button on a form, button on a list choice action. You can see you can create way actions to provide any of these controls. A form on a button, context menu items on form that appears when you open the form context menu or right click on the form header. Relate a link button in a banner on top of list, bottom of list context menu here. Okay, list choice action. A related link at the bottom of the list. So I'm just copying all these things. UI actions can control button on a form context menu, related link on a form, banner top button on a list, bottom button on a list context menu, list choice action, related link on a list. All these things can be controlled by UI actions. Okay. So I'm just copying this URL for your information. So what is the navigation for UI actions? Under system definition, we have UI actions. You can come here, you can type. Under system definitions, we have UI actions. So note down the navigation. UI. So UI actions table name is this underscore UI underscore action. Okay. Okay, this is underscore UI underscore action. This is the table name for UI actions. Next. So you can open any one UI action. Okay, you can open any one UI action. Maybe I'm opening the UI action from incident table. You can see assign to me, create request, and open resolve, close incident. So you can, for example, I'm just opening the resolve UI action. When we click on the resolve button, so the state of that instance is to be updated to the resolved. Okay, you can see how they have written the logic. So you can see this is the code they have written. Okay. So they are just setting instant state value E6 and in state value 6 resolved by setting the current logic. And you can see form element server to resolve. So current dot instance state. Like they are updating both from client, like in the client side, it is setting the values and server side, they are updating the record. Okay. So this is the code. So basically, UI action is a server-side programming. UI action is a server-side programming by default. You can note down this. UI action action is a server-side programming. UI action is in server-side programming. If we make client true, if we make client true, to make client true, it will be accept the client side logic. It will be client side logic. We have to use GSFT sub. Okay. If we make client true, it will accept the client side programming. You can note down like this programming. Maybe this I will write in another point. Okay. Next, if we want to write client side logic, click on server side logic at a time, we have to use GSFT submit syntax. Okay. So next, in interviews they will ask few questions here. What is GSFT submit syntax? GSFT submit syntax. What is GSFT submit syntax? GSFT submit syntax. Okay. So GSFT GSFT submit of null comma G underscore form dot get form element get form element comma action name get form element comma action name. So this is the new syntax here. GSFT submit of null comma G underscore form dot get form element comma action name. Next, what is null in GSFT submit? Next question is, what is null in GSFT submit syntax? Null in GSFT submit syntax. Null is a form control. Null is a form control. Okay. Form control. Next question. How to redirect UI action to current page? How to redirect UI action to current page? Okay. So basically, when we click on any button, so we have to, after submitting the data, we have to redirect to the current page only. For example, if I open incident number 1, incident number ends with 10001. Okay, and I have clicked on the result. Once updated the state to resolve, and I want to redirect to the same page only instead of going to the previous page. Okay, so here we have to use action dot set redirective set redirect URL. Action dot set redirect URL. We have to use this. In here we have to use current object. Next question. How to stop UI action submission? UI action submission. Current dot set about action. Okay. Current dot set about action. How to stop UI action submission? Next. Next again they will ask in another way they will ask same question. Okay. How to stop? How to stop UI action submission from the server side programming? Same. Current dot set about action true. How to stop UI action submission from the client side programming? Tell me, you already know answer. How to stop form submission from the client side programming? Tell me, client side program. Tell me, we already discussed it, right? We also done with one example, return false. It will stop UI action submission. Okay, same. Now you can come. So now I'm going to create one UI action in our parent Naresh IT table. So I'm just typing Naresh IT. I'm going to create new configure. Wait. I may configure fields like employee, name, email. Those fields I'm going to configure. Employee. Application manager mobile. I may keep title. Split and split. Okay, what are the fields I want? I have moved to the selected search bucket. I will arrange the fields properly here. ID, title, employee, gender, email. Okay. So I'm just keeping here. Email, manage, mobile, location, I'm bringing here. Okay. Save. Okay, got it. So here you can see ID, title. So now my form, I have configured the form like this. I have configured the form like this. So I'm going to create one new UI action here. Configure UI actions. Configure UI actions. I'm going to create a new UI action. Maybe my UI action name is click me. My UI action name is click me. Okay. My UI action name is click me. So I'm just writing code. Maybe information message kind I will write gs dot add info message of this dot add info message of welcome to UI actions. Welcome to UI actions. Save. Okay. So you can come and refresh here. You can. Oh, where is button? No, it is not appearing. We have to select this. So form button, form context menu, form link, list banner button, list bottom button, list context menu, list choice, list link. I'm selecting all the things here. saving this UI action. Save. You can come and see here what happened. So you can see the click me button here, click me button, click me related link, click me form buttons, click me form context menu. You can see click me form context menu. If we go to the list, all, click me banner top button, click me banner bottom button, click me related link, click me list context menu. Wait. Somewhere you will see click me where it is. Wait. Mhm. So click me choice action. You can say click me choice action. Click me context menu also it has to come. Wait. Maybe it will appear here. If you right click on the field, you can click me. It is appearing. Okay. So you have seen everything: form button, form context menu, form link, list banner button, list bottom button, list context menu, list choice action, listing. Okay, and you can see buttons, it is appearing in normal, transparent with some text. So I want to style the buttons. For example, I'm styling the form buttons. Primary, I'm just clicking the, taking the primary color. That means buttons will show in the blue color. You can come and refresh here. So you can see button is coming in the blue color. So for example, I'm selecting destructive. I'm selecting destructive. It may show in the red color. Come and refresh here. So and unstyled. It will show normal. Okay, unstyled. Come and see. Okay, it is showing normal. Okay, so we can make a coloring for the buttons like this. So as of now, I may keep only farm button. I don't want all these things. Okay, I'm just removing. Saving. Come and click me button. Click me button. Click me. So you can see it is redirecting to the previous page and it is showing message. What are the message we have written? Okay. So I'm just copying this code. Copy and pasting here. Next, we have written client side code right now. So now I may write server side code. Okay. Sorry, we have written server side code now. Okay. And now I'm going to write client side code. So if you want to write client side code, you have to make client to true. Yes, I'm making client to true. And I'm creating a one function. Function click me. Click me. Function click me. I'm just writing one alert message. Okay. Welcome to UI actions. Welcome to UI actions. Okay. I'm just calling click me function to on click. You can see here we have on click. Format the code. I'm saving the code. If you click on that button, it will show an alert message saying that welcome to UI actions. You can come and refresh here. Refresh. I'm just clicking on click me button. You can see it is giving an alert message. Welcome to UI actions. Okay. Next. This is pure client script now. I have written. I'm copying it. Next, I want to write server side code and client side code at a time, for example. So here I'm taking action name is click underscore me. Action name I'm taking as click underscore me. You can come here. 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 You can come here GSFT submit, SUBMit, GSFT submit of null comma G underscore form dot get form 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 ELEMENT form element comma action name click underscore me. This is action name we have created. Okay. Yeah, team, somebody will ask us in interview, somebody will ask us to write this syntax. Okay. You have to write. Okay. You have to by heart this at least. Yeah, in interviews they have asked this question. Please write syntax of GSFT submit. Otherwise, at least they will ask. You can explain me the GSFT submit syntax. What is null pointer? What is action name? Like this, they will ask. Okay. So if we return GSFT submit, immediately we have to write if condition. If we have to check type of window is undefined or not. Type of window equal to undefined undefined. If type of window is equal to undefined. So we have to write a server side code here. Now you can see gs dot add info message of just start add info message of. Again, I'm writing like this. Welcome to UI actions. I'm writing like this. Welcome to UI actions. Save. Now you can come and refresh here. We can see whether both client side and server side code executing or not. Click me. Client side code is executed. Now server side code is executing. Got it? So we have received alert message and we have received server side message also, but it is redirected to previous page. That's okay. I'm just copying this code to Notepad and again. Now I don't want to redirect to previous page. No, I don't want to redirect to the previous page. You can write this code action dot set redirect URL or set redirect to URL. Okay. Current, I'm saying current. That means you can redirect to the current page wherever you are in. You can redirect to the current page. So here, so you can see, I will show you something for something wrong here. So then after I will correct it. Okay. I just written action dot set redirect to URL of current. Okay. Set redirect to URL of current. You can come and refresh here. So when I click on when I click on this click me button, it will show client side alert, it will show server side alert, and it will try to redirect to the same record, but this is a new record, right? So once we refresh the form, it will not it will not be there. Okay. So it shows record not found. Okay. How to overcome that? We can discuss. Click me. So client side code executed, server side code executed, and it is showing record not found. Okay. Yes. I'm just copying this code, pasting here. I'm just making some condition here. If it is the existing record, I'm just making condition here. You can come here. Current dot is new record. Current dot is new record. Okay. So here also, whether you are writing client side programming or server side programming, or you may using both client side and server side. However it is, this condition field only accepts the server side scripting here. Okay. Condition field only accepts the server side scripting. Just saying this UI action. So what I written here, if it is not a new record, then only click me button will appear. If it is not a new record, then if it is existing record, then only click me button will appear. Now you can come and refresh here. I'm redirecting to this page. Refresh. Are we able to see this new button, click me button? No, because it is existing new record. That's what it is not appearing. So I may submit this record. Okay. Something like this, manager, I'm taking a put up. Save. You can see. Now it is appearing the click me button. Now it is appearing the click me button. Now you can click on this button, click me, client side code executed, server side code executed, and it is redirected to the same page. It is redirected to the same page. Got it, everyone? Here any queries? Here you have any queries, let me know.
How to add a hyperlink to the form, sir? Here.
Hyperlink to the
Any
where you want to add in adding
in the
from
form.
message. Yeah, I may show you.
Yeah.
I may show you. Okay. Wait.
Which one is execute first, sir? Client side or servers?
Definitely client side code only will execute first. Client side code, wherever it is, client side code always executes first. Okay. Client
Okay.
side code always executes first. For example, now we are redirecting to the current page only. Once we click on click me button. No, now I want to redirect to the some different page within the Servicenow instance. You can come, you can write that URL. Okay. For example, incident underscore list dot do. Okay. Maybe when I click on the click me button, it has to redirect to the incident list view. I just mentioned that URL. Incident underscore list. So how to know this URL correct or not? You may open incident list view. Incident dot list. Wait. It's already there. Incident all. You can see. This URL it will automatically take. So after this URL we have to provide. So I just copied this incident dot do question mark. Okay. I just copied here. Incident underscore list dot do question mark. Okay, I'm saving this action. Now we can see. So once we click on click me button, it is redirecting to instant list. We are not okay. I'm just refreshing this parent initiative form. I'm clicking on click me button. Yes, welcome to UI actions. Okay. It is redirecting as per URL we mentioned. As per URL we mentioned. Got it, everyone? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I'm copying this code. I'm pasting in the notepad. Next, we want to add hyperlinks, right? Yeah, we may add. In server side code, I'm adding welcome to UI actions. Please click here. Click here to know more about UI actions. Okay. Welcome to UI actions. Please click here to know more about UI actions. So what I am saying, quotes. Wait. So I want to do something here. Plus. One minute, I'm writing something here. I will explain after some time. Href equal to href equal to. I have copied one URL, right, related to UI actions. I'm copying that URL. For example, copy this. You can paste it here. Next thing. We have to write like this. This is, I can say, hard coded. Okay. Yeah, other team members. So please don't confuse. Okay. I'm just explaining. She's asked me, right? So I just explain. Don't confuse what this code and all. Okay. It's not required actually. Target equal to underscore blank. VLA. Okay, this is kind of HTML code. Okay. Um, slash. Maybe we have to keep this in server side. First of all, I will say, you can see. I have written code, could not save record because the amplifier, line number 6. Again, I'm copying it. Again, I'm copying it. Wait. This H3 if I may use single quotes, okay? For H3 if I may use single quotes. Don't confess, it's not required. She asked me, so I'm just explaining. Save. No, stimulation. I will do one thing. A H3 single quote. Here under target also I may use single quotes. Blank. Single quote. Okay. Yes. Now issue got resolved. I'm trying to save it. So you can click here. You can come to the parent Harish IT. And come to the parent Harish IT. You may open any existing record. Yes, I'm opening this record. Now I'm just clicking here. You can see client side scripting. Oh, it is redirecting to Servicenow. So here you can see, welcome to UI Actions. Please click here to know more about UI Actions. When I click here, it will open that URL. It is opening or not?
Yes.
Got it, everyone? Okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
So don't confuse, like I can say this is some hard-coded kind, okay? Don't confuse. So in between, I have used some HTML code kind, okay? I'm just copying this code to Notepad. Even you may get this kind of requirement. Maybe I also did 1 or 2 times this kind of requirement, okay? Next. I'm just remove my explanation is completed. I'm just removing this. Okay. Save. Next, we may write 1 or 2 examples again. So now my requirement is to do our current, not in double quotes. Okay. Now my requirement is I don't want this alert messages. Even I don't want this information message. We already seen. Like I'm closing this as well. You can come to Naresh IT. Naresh IT. Great. When I click on that click me button, so whatever the employee we selected here, we have to set that employee email ID here. Okay. So for example, I'm taking Mr. Maybe here I'm taking Abel Kutar. Save it. Whenever, so we click on click me button, it has to set email field value. You can come here. you can set the value here, where emp equal to g underscore form dot get reference of REFE, RENC, get reference of employee, u underscore employee. Okay. G underscore form dot set value of G underscore form dot set value of u underscore email comma emp dot email. So we have to write. I have written this code for setting the field value. But what happens? So if you click on the button, it will set the email field value. But after that, server side code is executing, right? Server side code is executing. We haven't informed here. We haven't informed saving the form. Are we informed anywhere here within the script, like for saving the record? Because of that, it will show as empty again. Okay, because of redirect. First of all, we can see this negative use case, and just click me. Yes, you can see email field is added. Then after, because of server side code, it is executed and redirect to the same page. But we haven't saved the record. For that, we have to write the code here. What we have to write? Current dot update. We can see whether it will work out or not. Saving it. Now you can come and refresh the parent hierarchy. You can click me. Yes, email field is added. Yes, it is saved the email field value. You can refresh the form. It will not gone. You can see because record is submitted after setting the email field value. Got it, everyone? After setting the email field value, record got submitted. This is one use case. So mostly I have covered all the use cases here. Okay, all the possible use cases here. If you have any queries, let me know. If you have any queries here, let me know. Any queries from the UI actions? It's just a matter of creating buttons, context menus, links. Okay. Any queries here? Let me know. Aziz, do you have any queries? Victoria, Usha, Tammy, Sureka. Okay. So basically from the UI actions, important thing is GSFT submit syntax is very, very important thing. Okay. GSFT submit syntax is very, very important thing. So like how many syntaxes came here as a new GSFT submit? Set about action we already used in business rules. Action are set redirectable. Mostly these two only new things here. Remaining all are same code. Previously, whatever the code we have used, same code. Okay. GSFT submit. Action dot set redirectable. Only these two scripts are new to UI actions. Okay. This meeting is going to end in